Hello, my students. How are you today? I hope you are very well. Today we are going to talk about a new lesson. Let's explain our lesson today. The title of our unit is Travel to Explore. Our skill here is listening. We have some new words. Let's know them. The first word is continent. Continent. There are 7 continents in the world. Asia is the biggest one. Continent. The next word is population. Population. India has a population of 1 billion. What is the population of your country? India has a population of 1 billion. What is the population of your country? Population. Wildlife. Wildlife. There are many wildlife areas around the world. Wildlife. Here, before you listen, discuss the following airport. Guide leaflet. Airport guide. We have here departure and airport services and arrivals. In departure, you can go and check your luggage and check your passport, and airport services like checking your passport and checking your luggage. When you arrive to your destination, the employees will check your passport and your paper there to go inside the country. Listen to the recording to identify the main idea of the listening text.
Kuwait Airport is south of Kuwait City. It is a modern building with shops, restaurants and banks. There is a new shopping centre next to the airport with a big car park. If you look down at Kuwait Airport from the sky, you will see that the building looks like a big white plane. When you have to wait at the airport, you can visit the shops and the bank and have a coffee or a meal in a restaurant. There is also a good view from the windows of the departure lounge. You can sit and watch the planes landing and taking off.
After we listen to the recording, take notes, then share them with your partner. Words I heard: airport, planes, car park, shopping center, window. Facts I learned: Kuwait Airport is south of Kuwait City. It looks like a big white plane. Questions I still have: when was the new building of Kuwait Airport built? When was the new building of Kuwait Airport built? Imagine here in this page, imagine that you work in a traveling agency. Follow the instructions below to fill in the boarding pass. Welcome the passenger. Ask the passenger's name. Ask for his or her destination. Ask her about the flight number. Ask for her luggage. Tell him or her about the flight information. Give him or her the directions to the plane. say goodbye. Here we have a sample for the ticket. Boarding pass. Luggage 20 kilogram. The handbag 5 kilogram. The name, for example, Ahmed. The destination is Canada. Flight number is 462. Okay, so this is a sample for the ticket. Now let's have prepositions of time. Grammar college or grammar rule. The prepositions of time here: at, on, in. Those are our prepositions of time. Before, we had the prepositions of place like under, above, on, inside, between, etc. Okay? But these are prepositions of time: at, on, in. First, we have on. On comes with days of the week. For example, I will visit you on Wednesday. Where were you on Friday? He doesn't work on Sundays. So on Monday, on Tuesday, on Friday, on Sunday. So on comes with the days of the week. And the days always start with the capital letters. I will visit you on the Wednesday. We will not add the after on with the days of the week. So I say I will visit you on Wednesday, not on the Wednesday. Okay? But here in comes with months. For example, my birthday is in January. I'm going on vacation in August. Halloween is in October. Months of the year. Months always start with the capital letter, like the days of the week. The Brazilian National Day is in September. Okay. At here comes with a specific time. For example, I get up at 7 o'clock. The movie starts at 8:30. 8:30. We arrived home at midnight. So at comes with at 8 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9:30, like this. So at comes with a specific time. These are the prepositions of time. At 7 o'clock, at 9 o'clock, on Saturday, on Monday, in January, in August. Okay? For example, right here, in summer, in the morning, in May, in 2018 and 19, in the 19th century, on Tuesday, on December 20th, on my birthday, at 3 o'clock, at 10:30 a.m., at bedtime, at night, at the weekend. Complete the passage using in, on, at. Badr works at Kuwait National Airport during weekdays. During weekdays, he gets up at 5 a.m. in the morning. He usually has lunch at 2:30 p.m. at his work. Because Badr has 2 shifts, one in the morning and the other one is the afternoon. He sometimes finishes some work at home in the evenings. Badr usually gets up late. The week ends. Badr has his summer holidays in August. He always has a 2 weeks holiday in winter and a holiday on 25th and February. Badr likes his work and enjoys his holidays. Here we often add, for example, spelling. This is spelling. Today in this page we are going to talk about spelling. We often add, for example, the syllable full and the syllable IVE and the syllable ABLE to change some nouns or verbs into adjectives. For example, add full, able, IV, IVE or IVE to complete the table with suitable adjectives. Beauty, beautiful, attractive, comfortable, wonderful, beautiful, creative, attractive, enjoyable, and comfortable. So we add these syllables to change nouns or verbs into adjectives. Fill in the graphic organizer, then write a paragraph to describe a Kuwait future airport using the toolkit. Here we have some new words or some words to use them to write a paragraph about a Kuwait future airport. We have the word modern, round, locate, restaurants, car park, passport control, baggage hall. Services in the airport, restaurants, car park. Name of the airport, Sabah Al Ahmad Airport. Shape of the airport is a round building. Location of the airport, located in Ahmadi or Al Ahmadi. Sections in the airport, passport control and baggage hall. So these are the graphic organizer which can help us to write a paragraph of 4 or 5 sentences about a Kuwait future airport. Here our paragraph: a Kuwait future airport will be called Sabah Al Ahmad Airport. It will be a round building. The airport will be located in Al Ahmadi city. It will have many restaurants and a big car park outside the building. The airport will have many sections like passport control and baggage hall. Read, then write a name for the web page. The world is made up of land and water. Water covers about 70% of Earth. The big part of water are called the oceans. The rest of it is land, where we live. There are 7 big pieces of land that we call continents. Asia is the biggest continent. It's 1/3 of the Earth. About 4 billion people live in Asia, and they speak 2,300 languages. China and India are the two largest countries in the world by population. Gulf countries, including Kuwait, are in Asia. Africa is the oldest inhabited continent. Its population is 1.3 billion and people speak 1,000 languages. Africa is very rich with wildlife. Algeria is the largest country. The largest lake is Lake Victoria in Tanzania and Uganda, and the longest river is the Nile River in Egypt. Okay? So let's add a title for this passage. worldcontinents.com. Okay? Let's complete our reading. Europe is the only continent with no deserts. Forests cover most of it. More than 742 million people live in Europe, and they speak Russian, English, German, French, and Italian. Russia is the biggest country, and Greenland is the largest island in Europe. North America is the third largest continent in size. It has 23 countries. It also has largest number of people who speak English. In North America, the biggest country is Canada, which covers more than half of the continent. Here in this page, read and color the suitcase facts with the correct color of the continent in the list. Has the largest countries? It's Asia. Very rich with wildlife is Africa. Most people speak English. North America. Has the largest island? It's Europe. Here, read again to answer the following questions. Number 1. In which continents are the Arab countries? In Asia and Africa. Why does Europe always look green continent? Because forests cover most of it. Here, fill in the graphic organizer, then write a paragraph to describe a holiday abroad using the toolkit and pictures. The topic sentence is: last summer we spent our holiday in Lebanon. Detail 1. Went camping. Detail 2. Visited wonderful places. Detail 3. Went sailing. Conclusion is: it was an enjoyable holiday, and we wish we could visit Beirut again. Our paragraph here, let's read it. Last summer we spent our holiday in Lebanon. We stayed in a hotel. On the first day we went camping. On the second day we visited wonderful places. On the third day we went sailing. It was an enjoyable holiday, and we wish we could visit Beirut again. Now read your report again. Last summer we spent our holiday in Lebanon. We stayed in a hotel. On the first day we went camping. On the second day we visited wonderful places. On the third day we went sailing. It was an enjoyable holiday. We wish we could visit Beirut again. Thank you, my students. Thank you. And I wish you a good time and see you in the next lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.